Hi everyone! I'm Grace and welcome to the first episode of Bake Your Video recipe of Miguelitos. Today, we will be baking chocolate chip cookies. Here are the ingredients. 3/4 cup of butter, 2 pieces eggs, 1/2 cup chocolate chips, 1/3 cup cashew nuts, 1/3 cup chopped almonds, and our very own Miguelitos instant cookies mix. In a bowl, cream 3/4 cup of butter using an electric mixer. Two pieces of eggs. Add 1 pack of Miguelitos instant cookie mix. Add your toppings and mix thoroughly. Scoop dough onto baking sheets. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until light golden brown. To be updated for more video recipes of Miguelitos, don't forget to click the ring bell button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Miguelitos, ang best partner mo sa negosyo. Serve and enjoy!